This week, we're diving into Chapter 10, Writing Across Media. Effective digital communication isn't just about the tools we use, it hinges on mastering technical structure and digital emotional intelligence. This means focusing on clarity and brevity in emails, pausing before responding to high stakes messages, and tailoring your tone to resonate with diverse virtual audiences. You have two major assignments due this week: the mock interview and the thank you email. The job description is your foundation. Every assignment must be tailored to the specific job you submitted at the start of the union. I grade as the hiring manager. Approach these tasks with the same level of professionalism you would in a real world career search. Career Services check. You were required to submit your draft resume to Career Services for review. If you miss that deadline, submit it today. Points are dependent on the ability to review your late submission, so act quickly. Your standard weekly tasks, SmartBook, ABAs, PlayPosit, and Quiz, are all currently open and are due by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. You have a 9-day window for these, but please note that late work is not accepted. To maximize your score, the SmartBook and PlayPosit, you can take these as many times as needed to earn 100%. ABAs, you have 3 attempts, and I will keep your highest score. Quizzes are time limited to 1 attempt, so be sure that you're fully prepared before starting. So let's go ahead and take a look. We'll come down here to Chapter 10. And we have the instructor guidance, and you're watching the instructor guidance right now. There's the deep dive podcast that gives you information on the chapter plus some of my own personal experiences. We've got the PowerPoint Chapter 10, SmartBook Chapter 10, Quiz Chapter 10, and this is how to ace your video interview, which is PlayPosit, but it gives you very helpful suggestions and direction on how to visually prepare your background, your camera, your lighting for your interview, your mock interview. And then we have the mock interview. And I'll open that up. And if you open the instructions here, you're going to see the video. Now, the video is a little bit long, but it has a lot of important information to help you score well on this particular assignment. So don't blow it off. Go ahead and take a look at that, and it will direct you. Then we have the STAR method. That'll give you an idea of how to answer your questions. This is the Missouri Southern Flyer on the STAR method. This is a checklist. I strongly suggest you go through the checklist before you start trying to record. And then we just have additional information here on the assignment. One key thing that you need to know is that there are 3 different interviews that you can use. If you're doing an internship, you can use the intern. If you're applying for a job as a starter job in your career, then the entry-level job interview would be the one you should select. And if you have experience in your field and you're looking to advance, then we would want you to do the general practice on mastering your interview skills. But anyway, be sure to watch those videos and follow up with that. And then lastly, we have the thank you for the interview email, and we'll open that up. And there's a very short video here that will help you lay out what you need to do. And then we got the instructions here. So pay attention to those, and then you have the other assignments as usual. And I think that's all I have for instructor guidance this week. So you can contact me using messages or by email, myers-d@mssu.edu.